Hello students. Yeah. Today I will tell you about that how to connect these two tables, the which we created like EMP table and the department table, and then we will execute some queries with that one. Since I already connected with them, so I just want to show you the code over here that what is the code for connecting the EMP table. So this is our EMP table, and I want to connect the EMP table with the department table. So there is a keyword references. So this is called referential constraint. So this limitation is called referential constraint, and we usually connect this one, the EMP table with the department table. So how it is connected? The department number column is a foreign key in EMP table. So this the data is transferred and connected via the department number. So department number now will be in both table, EMP table and department table as well. So in department table, it will be by default because it's a primary key, right? But in the EMP table, the role of the department number would be as a foreign key just to connect these two. So if I execute it, so it will show us that such a referential constant already existed in the table because I already executed that one. So no need to execute it again. But if it is not connected, then you have to do this one, right? So this is like one of the tip that I want to show with you. Now let's do some exercises with the lab number 2. We have it. So here are some of the exercises. For example, yeah, the first one. Let's try the first one and see, analyze it and how it works. Yeah, in this one, if you see over here, we have we want to query the e name, right? Department number. So now these two tables are connected. So I can query the department number. Although department number is in another table, depth table, but I can query it. Why? Because it's a foreign key. It's connected now. And then the salary and from the EMP table. So I did not mention, for example, I did not mention the department table as well, like comma depth, right? Why? Because the department number is a foreign key. So it will be automatically retrieved from the EMP table. Okay, now I want to know about the salaries, that what is the salaries, okay, of people who are between 1000 and 2000. So let's see if I just run this query. So I hope I will have a, yeah. So now all these employees like Allen, Ward, Martin, Turner, Adams, and Miller, they have salaries between 1000 to 2000. Okay, now let's try another query and see because these two tables are like closely connected now. So yeah, let me close this one so that not to be confused with that one. Yeah, now we will see this one yeah. So you should remove this one extra things because otherwise it will give you error. So sometime, yeah, now let's see over here. Now I see that selects distinct job. So I just want a column job, okay, from which table? EMP table. And the distinct means, like for example, sometimes sales will be repeated because it's not a primary key, so we can repeat that one. If you look in the without this one, so it will be repeated. If I remove the distinct and then I run this query, so sales is repeated. See over here, okay, so two times. But if I write distinct, okay, so it will not be, yeah, so it will not be repeated. So sales is not repeated over here now, okay, but without this one it would be sales would repeat it. And I think yeah, see, yeah, a manager is repeated two three times, right? Analyst is I think president is one, I think it's not, clerk is repeated. So you can see over here. Now just to execute another one here, there are two ways over here for this one. Yeah, so I just remove this code, or you can have the multiple codes as well with this one, but you need to select before executing it. And it's better to write in the single line, this one. If you see over here, I just select this one and then run it. Okay, now you see here, this I have select static from EMP, so I need all the columns from employee table, employee number, e-name, jobs, manager, hire date, salary, commissions, and department number. So now you see over here, the department number is a foreign key, it is attached. Before When I did not connect them with the referential integrity, it was not a part. Initially, if you look at the table of EMP, the department number was not a part, but when I connect them, so it becomes automatically part. So now you can feel that the foreign key, this is a foreign key. So foreign key can be like, it could be null, or it could be like, multi-valued as well, or repeated value. It's like, common, right? But this one, EMP number, this is a primary key, and it must be unique and not null. This is very important to note it, right? So I need a department number. Any means like, it could be like 10 or 30, right? So any with 10 and 30. So I only have the results 10 and 30 only. Okay. Although I might be have some like, select study from depth. If I run this one, so there could be like, other entries except 10 and 30. Okay. If you see over here, we have 10 and 30, 20 we have 50, the department number, we have 70, right? Yeah, College of Computer Science, which we added in the last one. And we have where the address was not like known, we put null over here. And then you can see for CBA, College of Business Administration, we know that it is in Bahrain, so we put the location over here, right? So yeah, so this is like, how it works. Now try another query like this one, and there is alternative way as well. You can, instead of this one, you can also try this code as well. It will both work same. Okay, so this is where you use the OR operator. Okay, so you can write where department number is 10 or department number is 30, or you can write this one. This is more handy. You can use this one. It's more handy. Okay, now let's go for this one. Okay, this query, let's analyze this. Let me remove this one because to make it more clear for you. Yeah, so I remove this 4. Okay, now I try this one. Okay, so what does this query do? So I need to select ename department number. Okay, hide date from which table? From EMP table. Okay, where hide date is between this and that one. Okay, let's see if I get some error. Yeah, I got some error, so I mean, might be there is some semicolon is missing. Let's try with the semicolon and then see. Yeah, so I think you must have some semicolon to avoid this kind tinny mini, or we call it like silly errors. Okay, okay, so this works. So we got all the employees with a higher date between this date and this date, right? Okay, so now I go for this query. Okay, let's have for this query. Yeah, this is interesting and this is a bit tricky. So you need to be like, cautious to see that what are the things over here. Yeah, so I just requested the SQL just to send me the all employees e-names where there is th in their names in between, before there is should be anything, and after there should be anything. So ampersand means anything before and anything after, right? I can do like this one, that the first should be like this th, and the next could be anything. But let's try with this one. Okay, and then see over here. Okay, yeah, so let's see if I run it, do I get an, yeah, oh, again I get an error. So I think semicolon was missing. So let's see here. Yeah, so it's working. Yeah, so now you see over here th. So see the th is here, right? So anything before it works well. And ll, yeah, I got the ll. Okay, and then what else I have it? Yeah, e name is this one. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the output of this one, and then we have it another one. Yeah, so just to remove this one. Okay, and to have from. Okay, uh, let's run this query. Yeah, so this query is means order by. So I order it like with respect to the department name. So it start with the A, then C, then O, and then R, then S. Okay, so we need to order by with the department name, right? So that's like this query, and then we have it another one. Yeah, let's try this the second last query. Okay, uh, yeah, so if I run this one, yeah, so here what I have it, so manager is null. So the president, for example, where MGR is null, right? And I need the rows. E name, I need this row, this column, I need job column, I need salary column, I need the commission column from EMP where MGR is null, right? So if you look at the detail table, the MGR would be null over there. Then I have three more queries. Okay, so let's do it quickly. Okay, again, so yeah, with this one, what I have it here like let's see the output first, and then I will discuss. Oh, there is again. So I think they need a semicolon here. They need a semicolon is very important, much important in SQL. So don't forget this one. Yeah, it works well here. So here the what we call it. The connection was about that we need to know about what we need to know about e-name. We need a commission, sales, and then we have salary from MP, and then the job should be equal to the salesman, and uh, and then we have like division with the commission slice salary. It should be a descending one, right? So because they divide it and they say that we want in the descending order from low to high, right? So then we have two more queries. Just like to copy these two more queries and then see how it works. Yeah, so I just remove this one. Okay, let me run this one. Yeah, again the same error, so I think I need to first, it is better to have this one from in the same line and then semicolon and then run it and then see. Yeah, let's work. So it means that I need those names, employee names and salary and commissions. And then also I need salary plus commission means like the monthly, the yearly salary from the employee table where the job is only the sales one. So I need only the employees with the sales. Then I have the last but not the least query, which is very important, with respect to your exams as well. Like if you see over here, let me try this one. Okay, definitely this will give error. Why? Because similarly we don't have a semicolon. So if I put the semicolon after the employee table, because that is a clause. Yeah. So here we have some constraints over here. Constraint is like sales like this one, job equal to the sales and department number is 30, while the sales salary is greater than and equal to 1500. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much. See you. Take care. Bye bye.